So for this problem, we're going to be asked to find if f of x is differentiable at x equals -1. So they're giving us this function here where we've got, for the right side, we've got something different going on than what's happened on the left side. So this is the right side and this is the left side. So one easy way to go ahead and go about this is I know that they're both going to be approaching -1. So I need to kind of look at a graph here. This is I think the easiest way to visualize what's happening. But at -1, x squared is at a +1. So let me go ahead and just give us some context here. So for the blue one, it's at +1. Then at 0, it's going to be at 0. 1, it's at 1. And it follows the regular x squared like that. Now negative x, for x is less than a -1. So anything less than -1 here, so at -2, we're at a +2. -3, we're at a +3. And it goes like this. So hopefully you can see that right at this moment, it looks to be like it could be going in the right direction. So what we have to do is we have to look at f prime of x, which is really f prime of -1 in this scenario, and I'm going to use the limit as x approaches -1 of f of x minus f of -1 all over x minus -1. So that's going to be equal to the limit as x approaches -1. F of x is x squared minus -1, which is just 1. And this is all over x plus 1. So this leaves me with, I could rewrite this as x plus 1 and x minus 1. This leaves me with the limit as x approaches -1 of x minus 1. So then the f prime of -1 as I evaluate this is going to be -2. So what that means is that right at this point, I've got a slope of -2. I need to do the same thing for the left side. So I'm going to do the f prime of -1 as the limit x approaches -1. This time, it's going to be a little bit different here. It's going to be the same exact setup. So that's equal to the limit as x approaches -1 of f of x, which is now -x. F of -1 is a +1, so minus my +1. All of this is going to be over x minus a -1. So this is equal to a -x minus 1, which is a -1 times x plus 1. All of this over x plus 1. Those pieces are going to cancel out, and so I'm left with f prime of -1 is equal to -1. And what you're going to see here is that from the left, it does not equal the right. So therefore, this is not differentiable.